This is like 10 bands, right? That's not a lot to a lot of people, and it is a lot to some people. The perception of it is that a lot of people are saying, like, how could you be complaining? Like, I'm in a way worse condition. I don't have anything to my name. And I'm still finding ways or reasons to be happy. The balance in all of that is being able to perceive things in a way, whereas it's about understanding that there's going to be good days, bad days, and that we have to remain constant in what our calling is, regardless of the circumstances. And that is the balance. What's good, guys? All right, so I'm back right now. I am pulling up to Mickey D's. I'm about to grab a couple of like cheeseburgers and chicken sandwiches and stuff like that. And all we're doing is just taking a little bit of some unfortunate things that have happened my way and uh, being considerate of somebody else that might be a little bit less fortunate than I am, and giving them something that'll cheer them up. So that's what I want to do today, is just spread out these cheeseburgers to a couple people that are less fortunate or maybe having a rough patch, and put some smile on some people's faces. All right, we found somebody, guys. Rudy, what's up, man? I got some cheeseburgers. I don't know if you want any. That's cool. All right, thank you. God bless. Shut up. Shut up. Hey, sir, would you like some cheeseburgers? Thank you. Yeah, you're welcome. God bless. You gotta get hungry. Oh, yeah, for sure. Thank you. Hey, y'all want some cheeseburgers? Some cheeseburgers? I'm not sure. You want one? Okay. You want cheeseburger, Lonnie? God bless. Want some cheeseburger? You welcome. God bless. What's up, man? Want cheeseburger? God bless you, man. Here you go. Have a good day. Okay. You want one, bro? God bless y'all, man. For sure. All right. Yes, sir. Oh, man, we making the world a better place, baby. Let's go. I just got like 6 of them shits on. Too late. Nice. Did it go anywhere? I can't really see. Nice. Nice. All the way to the blue. I don't know if it went in. Oh my God, I missed the whole thing. And it's best to do this when you have a lot of space so you can do the steps the way that you want to do them. But the idea of it is more so just the breathing and the energy, and breathing in the good chi and then releasing it out and then taking it back in. So again, we're here